Every day, millions of shoppers turn to Google to discover new products, and your store could be next in line to catch their attention. With the Google for WooCommerce extension, you can easily showcase your products to potential customers searching across Google's powerful network. Setting it up takes less than 5 minutes. Simply sync your product feed, and any updates you make in WooCommerce will appear instantly on Google. This ensures that your audience always sees your latest and most relevant products without any extra effort. Once your products are live, you can launch a Performance Max campaign, which uses Google's advanced AI to connect you with the right customers. From Google Search and YouTube to Gmail and beyond, your products will be promoted across all major Google channels. This unified campaign strategy saves time while maximizing your reach and sales potential. By letting Google's smart technology work for you, your store can stay competitive and grow faster. With just a few simple steps, you'll expand your audience and turn searchers into loyal buyers. Start today with Google for WooCommerce and watch your business thrive. Let's go!